Okay, no, welcome back. Inshallah, we will start at the fifth series. How can we solve inequality by another method? Now, we will watch video, but I need to be careful about watching this video because we have some exercise talking about the video. So pay attention it. Okay, no, you can hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, no. First, we will watch this video, but you should pay attention and be careful because we are gonna to ask you some question about this video. Okay, now go ahead.
Okay.
We speak student.
Two-step equations using multiplication and division a la Schmo.
Bill, I'm home.
After returning from vacation, Dr. Villain comes home to find that he has only one laser shark left.
Where are your friends?
His manservant Bill explains that the first half were killed by flesh-eating bacteria.
It would have tasted better with tartar sauce.
And then he ate another 3 because he'd forgotten to go grocery shopping.
I didn't want to walk all that way. Sue me.
Can you determine how many sharks Dr. Villain had before his Jamaican getaway?
Sharky, no!
As always, we'd like to have a formula to help us solve the problem. So, we first need to determine the variable. Because we're trying to figure out the original number of sharks, we're going to substitute that value with x. In the beginning, there were x number of sharks, then half were eaten by flesh-eating bacteria. We'll write that as x over 2. Guess someone should have washed their hands a little better, huh?
What doesn't kill them makes them better laser sharks, Master.
Then Bill ate 3 of the sharks, so we'll subtract 3. We know there was only 1 shark left, so we can put 1 to the right of the equal sign. Our goal is to get x all by itself on one side. So let's get rid of that pesky minus 3. We can do that by using the opposite operation and adding 3 to both sides. Remember to always perform the same operation on both sides. Dr. Villain is fair that way. Now we have x divided by 2 equals 4. While we can't undo the near extinction of the laser shark, we can undo x being divided by 2 by multiplying 2 to both sides. And there you have it, villains and manservants. X equals 8. Which means the original number of laser sharks totaled 8. Hey there, turn that frown upside down, Dr. Villain. You may only have had 1 laser shark left, but even a sad, friendless laser shark is still a laser shark.
Well, that's true. Who's a good sharky?
Just remember that in the future, you might want to hire better help, preferably someone who doesn't have a taste for laser shark, right?
Well, this is one way to get fired.
Okay, now we finished. Let's ask you about the first exercise according to this video, okay? Now we will move now to read the first equation. After that, how can we solve this equation? No, can you read this now?
Solve minus 5.
Yeah.
Minus 5t equals 60.
Okay, how can we gonna to solve this equation?
Draw a river to separate the equation into lines.
Yeah.
Into
Okay.
sides.
After that, the second step. What does it mean negative 5t? What does it mean it?
What?
What does it mean negative 5t? An expression, mathematical expression. What does it mean it?
It means that minus 5 multiplied by any number.
Excellent. Minus 5 multiplied by any number. When I see multiply in equation, how can we solve this? We should what?
Divide minus 5 on both.
Excellent. We will divide it all sides by number 5, negative 5. So the answer will be what? No. The second step, divided all sides by negative 5. After that, we will write the answer. So the answer will be what? No.
T equal minus 12.
Excellent. The answer will be t equal negative 12. Thanks so much about your attention according to the video. Okay, now we will move Jamila. Jamila, can you read this question? Yeah, can you read this? Number 2.
Okay, 15 equals 6n.
15 equals 6n. Okay, the first step, when we solve an equation here, how can we solve it?
Mister, there's no share screen.
Okay, just 1 minute again. Yeah. Can you solve it?
Divide for both sides.
Yeah, divided all sides by what?
6.
Excellent. Because we have coefficient of variable is 6. So all of them divided by 6. So the answer will be what, Jamila? All of them divided by 6, as you said. So it will be what?
0.5.
Yeah, 15 over 6 is the same. Or you can write it the same, or you can write it as a decimal. No problem about your answer there. Okay, now we will move another example according to the video. This equation, no. Can you read this, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, read it. After that, you can solve it.
6 over 4, x over 4 equal minus 12.
Yeah, x over 4 equal negative 12. Okay, when I see this is called what? This operation is called multiplication, addition, subtraction, division.
Division.
Yeah, division. When I see division, how can we solve this equation according to other version of division?
Multiply 4 in both sides.
Well, excellent. Thanks so much about your attention. You will inverse the operation here. Okay, so we will multiply by all sides. Multiply by all sides by number what?
4.
Yeah, okay, thanks so much. So we will multiply all sides by number 4. So the answer will be what? The same?
The answer will be x equal minus 48.
Excellent, thanks so much. You are more wonderful. Okay, now we will go to Gamila again, the same idea. Now, sorry, we will listening, we will watching this video. After that, we will solving equation solving equality according to this video. Okay, so be careful when we watching this video because you will solve the exercise is talking about this. Okay, now ready? Go on.
If you multiply or divide both sides by a negative sign, you know what to do. It's a funny little boo. Gotta flip the inequality sign. Flip it, yeah. Times by negative, flip it, yeah. Divide by negative, flip it, yeah. Both sides by negative, flip it, yeah. If you multiply or divide both sides by a positive sign, don't multiply the rule that I described. Just keep the inequality sign. Keep it, yeah. Times by positives, keep it, yeah. Divide by positives, keep it, yeah. Both sides by positives, keep it, yeah. When it's time to divide by negative sign, you flip it, yeah. When it's time to divide by positive sign, you keep it, yeah. When it's time to divide by negative sign, you flip it, yeah. When it's time to divide by positive sign, you keep it, yeah, yeah.
Okay, my student, now we will move. We will move another thing is talking. Can you tell me what does it mean flip the sign here in this video? No, can you answer? Or can you explain what?
Yes.
Yeah, can you explain what does it mean? The main idea of this video. This video is talking about what?
The
Yeah, you can think.
yeah, it like we can change multiply into divide by changing their side.
Yeah, excellent. Thanks so much. We will flip the sign if we have coefficient of it, an x coefficient, the negative variable here. Okay, what about you, Jamila? In this video, he told me flip and keep it. How can we flip and we when we keep it the sign? If we see the sign positive, we will flip or we will keep it.
We'll flip it.
When we see negative, excellent, we will flip the sign. Thanks so much. Now we have some expression here. Is very important to solve any inequalities here. Okay, no. Can you read the first one, the inverse?
The inverse of add is subtract.
Okay, the next.
Yes, the inverse of subtract is add, and the inverse of multiply is divide.
Okay, can you read the last one, Jamila?
Yes, Mr.
Yeah, can you read this sentence, the last one here?
The inverse of divide is multiply.
Okay, we have now some expression. If we have addition, we will inverse it to subtraction. If we have the operation of subtraction, we will inverse it to become addition, and so on. Okay, now we will move another example. How can we solve any inequality here by division and multiplication? Okay, now we have this equation. We have this inequality here. 5 multiplied 6 equals 30. Greater than or equal 30. Now, how can we solve this inequality here? When I see this, yeah, can you read it, no? Okay, what about you, Gamila? Can you read this inequality here?
Yes.
Yeah, can you read it, and can you give me some steps to start solving this inequality here? Gamila and no. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, can you read this?
56 less than or equal to 8x.
Yes, excellent. The first step when we start to solve inequality here. The first step when we starting solving of inequality.
Divide 8.
Yeah, divide 8 for all sides. Okay, so the answer will be what? We will divide 8 on sides.
Yeah, it will be 7.
Excellent. It will be
less than or equal to 8.
Excellent. Thanks so much about your attention again. So the answer will be, okay, 7. Now we have another example, Gamila. Can you solve it? Gamila, can you read it? After that, you can solve it.
Yes, Mr. Try to solve this equipment. 24 is less than or equal to 7x. We will divide 7 by 2 in the two sides.
By all sides, because we need to keep a variable alone, isolate a variable into another way. Okay, so we will divide it on sides by 7. So the answer will be 6. Thanks so much. Now we have another example. If we have this operation is called division. How can we solve it? It's the same. Can we start now?
Yes.
Yeah. Go on.
So we will multiply 3 on both sides.
Yeah, we will multiply 3 in both sides. Why we will multiply 3 in both sides? Because we have what?
Inverse to.
We have the operation is called here is what?
It's division.
Yes, division. When I see division, we will flip that. We will see the inverse of the division. So the answer will be what? We will multiply all sides. Yeah. So the answer will be what?
X greater than or equal to 75.
Thank you so much. No. Now we will move another example here. But pay attention. You can see my slide now?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Now this is called the operation here. When we multiply, you should multiply all sides. When we divide, we should divide it all sides, and the answer will be the same. Okay. Now, Lou, can you read this exercise?
Yes.
Problem number 3. Can you read it? And I need to discuss how can we solve this inequality here. This is real live problems here. Yeah, can you read it? To discuss about the solution here.
X over 2 greater than 20. Get the variable alone.
No, just 1 minute again. I need to read problem number 3. This example, can you read it to discover how can we solve it? No, can you hear me? Hello? Yeah, problem number 3. Can you read it to discuss about the solution here?
Okay. You walk dogs in your neighborhood after school. You earned $4.50 per dog. How many dogs do you need to walk to earn at least $75?
Okay, now we will write the given data are found in this problem. After that, we will write all the steps here. Now he want to know how many dogs do we need to earn this number. Okay, now we have given data out there in this exercise. You will earn 4.50 per dog, and I need to know how many dogs do you need when you earn at least 75. Okay, we have now keywords. We have at least, we have 4.5, we have this number $751. How can we write this sentence as mathematical expression? Okay, we have the greatest number, we have the smallest number, we have the word here at least. We talked before about at least. What does it mean at least, Jamila?
Yes, Mr.
What does it mean at least here in this sentence? Can you convert it in a mathematical expression?
It means smaller than.
At least it means it will be smaller than or greater than.
Yes, Mr.
It will be smaller than or greater than here. To earn at least 751, at least means more. This number or more. So we will write what here?
It's
Yes,
bigger than.
greater than. Thanks so much. So we will write 5.50 dogs. What does it mean? Dogs here is called a variable. So you can substitution in this dog by any variable. You can write it letter A, letter B, letter C, and so on. So D is called number of dogs. So we will write 4.5 D at least $775. Okay, the next step we have what? No. How can we solve this? The operation here is multiplication, so we will convert it by division. So the first step we will divide it by all sides here. No.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, we will divide it all inequality here, all sides in inequality here by what?
By dividing each side by 4.50.
4.50, excellent. So the answer will be 16.4, okay? So the number of dogs here when we earn at least $75, it will be 16 over and 2/3, okay? Now we have another example when we see the coefficient of any variable here by a negative sign. As you're watching this video, when I see the negative inequality here, you should flip the sign or keep the sign the same. Yamila, when I see negative number, any negative number here, you should flip the sign or keeping the sign the same as you're watching, according to as you're watching the video. Jamila. Okay, no.
Yes, Mr.
Yeah. As you're watching the video, he talked about 2 points. When I see negative, you should flip. When I see positive, you should keep. Here, you can see negative or positive number.
Negative.
Negative number, excellent. So you should flip or we should keep it the sign here.
Flip.
Excellent. Thanks so much. Now we will flip the sign up. Before flip, we will divide it by all sides here by what? Negative. We will write first step, we will divide it all sides by -9. So the number y, the sign is smaller than, so it will be greater than -7. Can you sketch this graph here? We can draw number line. After that, what does it mean y is greater than or equal -7? Means the sketch will be right or left here. We talked before about when I see greater than, it will be right of number one. Yeah, and we have closed circle here because we have equal in this inequality. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we will discuss about some question. You can read the number 7, 8, 9, and you will solve any one here. Okay. Now we will start with no. Can you read this example and can you explain how can we solve it for 1 minute only? Let's go on.
Yes, teacher?
Yeah, can you read this and solve it?
Okay. X over 5 greater than or equal to -2.
Yeah, how can we solve it?
Multiply 5 on both sides.
Multiply 5
Will be
all
X.
together.
Yeah.
Yes, excellent. After that, the answer will be what?
X greater than or equal to -10.
Excellent. Okay, thanks so much, Noor. What about you, Gamina? Can you read
Yes,
this example? Yeah, number 8.
Mr. I can see clearly.
Okay, we will change another one here. This example, number 12.
Okay, -3 smaller than 1 over 3.
X over 3. Yeah, okay. How can we solve this equality here? We will do multiply, or will do the division here?
Multiply 3 on both sides.
Yeah, multiply 3 all sides. So the answer will be what? X greater than or equal what? -3 multiply 3. The answer will be what? No, Jamila? Negative, negative 9. Okay. Now we have competition talking about how can we solve inequality by multiplication and division in quizzes here. Okay. I will send the link in the chat. Just join it and write your name. Okay. Yeah, this is the link. I will send it now. And we will play together into workout rooms, okay?
So, teacher, you're going to break us into rooms?
Yeah, I will give you both breakout rooms now. Yeah, you can accept the join. Yeah, what about you, Gamila? Can you accept the room? Yes, okay, go on. The quiz is here. Are you started? Yes, I see Gamila and no, excellent. Pay attention about your answer. You have no time to answer. Think about all firstly. After that, you can answer, okay? I will solve with you as a participation. We will start now. Okay, no, what about you? The exercise here is very easy.
Yes.
Okay, go on, go ahead. Now we will see quizzes with you. I will answer the quiz and I will participate with you all. Yes. I will start the game with you the same. Now we have the same. I can solve all of them very easy for me. Hello, you can hear me? No, and Jamila. Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, now we have this. Pay attention with me. We have this problem here. Can you read this problem? To solve it by strategies called KWL. What I know, what I need to know, and how can I find it? How can we solve? Okay.
Okay.
I will show this problem here. After that, we will solve it according to this strategy here. Yeah. Can you read this? Yes, no. Hello? No. No. Hello, no. Okay, no. Now we have this example. It's real life. Jill has a $20 gift card to an out supply store. Go for tubes of paint are cost by $4.30, which after tax. What are the possible number of tubes that Jill can buy? Now, no, we have strategy. What I know here in this example, what I know, we will know what is the possible number of tubes. We will write that. Okay, no? Okay, thanks so much about your answer, no. Okay, the next step. What I want to know. We will know number of tubes according to given here. We have $20, we have 4, we have every tube is cost $4.30. We have here inequalities is talking about inequality. We have at most here, so it will be smaller than or equal. Okay, the next one here is called how can we find it? How can we solve this problem according to the operation? When I see multiplication, we will do division. When I see division, we will see multiplication, and so on. Now, how can we solve it? We will write the inequality here, like this, according to strategy of KWL. This number times the number of tubes. We will write the number of tubes. We will write it as a variable by b. At most, we will convert it, and mathematical expression is called smaller than or equal. The total of all is 20. When I see multiply, we will divide all together like this. Okay, multiply to 30 for 4.30 for all sides, so the inequality will be 4.65. Okay, so the number is smaller than the number of tubes, small, maybe 0, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, likes, and so on. Okay, this strategy is called KWL when we solve any real problems here. Now we are finished my session. Mo is talking about the inequality. Can you explain briefly how can we solve any inequality by multiply or division? The first step we will write when I see multiply, we will convert it. We will inverse the addition or the operation of multiply. It's called division. We will divide all sides. Okay. What about